Hello everyone on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. Every day we will upload a video answering the questions and concerns of students during their participation in our courses. If you don't want to miss out on any of our upcoming videos, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video and leave us a comment down below. That way, the next time we release new videos, you'll be among the first to see them, even before others. In this video, I will answer a student's question about how to transform this straight glass into a curved one. So this is the basic form. If you want to close the dart on the shoulder and you want to move a dart to the side seam but you want it to be a curved dart, then however you want it to curve, just draw that line in. Just go ahead and draw that line in. For example, if you want it to curve from here to this point, you create a curved line like this. In short, the dart can curve however you want, depending on the line you draw. After that, you go into the command. Here it is. Here, there is a command called rotate dart. Click on it. However, there is one important thing you should note. Over on the right hand side, you must remember to tick the internal line option. Once you have checked this internal line option, the software will automatically move the dart over to the internal line for you. See, many of you tick this point option, so it doesn't move. So just remember, you first have to tick the internal line option. After doing that, simply click on the specific dart you want to close. Next, you slide along this internal line to the point where you want to open at the top of the curved dart. Once you have completed that step, you carefully choose a specific edge where you want the body to stay exactly as it is currently. Then you go ahead and select the corresponding internal line. That's it. Now all you have to do is right click and hit OK, and immediately the dart at the shoulder will close and it will open the dart at the side. In a similar fashion for this lower dart, if you want to close it up, just draw a straight line right here for me. That's it. Draw a line here. And you do the same thing again. You just need to do the exact same thing again, okay? If, in this specific case, your software gives you an error message like this one, just shorten this inner line a little bit. About 1 millimeter should be more than enough, okay? You really don't need to shorten it by much at all, just enough so that the ends of the lines don't touch each other. After you have finished doing that, you can use the rotate dart command once again. First click on this dart line, and then click on the specific point where you want to open the curved dart. Click on the edge that you want to keep unchanged. Click on the line where you want to open this dart outward. Then right click and select OK. Immediately you have transformed the straight dart into these two curved darts. At first there was a straight dart at the waist and a straight dart at the shoulder, right? You have closed these two darts and opened them at the shoulder. So that's how you convert to a curved dart, and I wish you success in your practice. See you again in the next sharing sessions.